Do you find no matter what you do, you still can't play through an entire song without making lots of mistakes, giving up on it, or simply forgetting what you've learned? I spent years stuck in a frustrating loop. After having 2 kids with my wife, any spare time completely vanished. I wasted time going between songs, riffs, technical exercises, never really nailing anything. It got to the point where my playing hadn't progressed for years. Then I stumbled on one method that changed everything. After testing it with my students, tweaking it, and trying it on myself, I developed a proven system that helps you learn songs more efficiently, making fewer mistakes, and finally make real progress. And what surprised me the most was it helps you learn fast and actually makes practice feel fun like a game. So now I want to share this system with you so you can start getting the same kind of results like Ian, who went from this to this. And he's not alone. Every guitarist who's followed this plan has transformed their playing and then used the same system again to master their next song, challenge, or goal. I'm really excited to share everything I've learned in a simple step-by-step system that you can get access right now, designed to help you master songs faster and finally play guitar with confidence. You'll get a complete video course, daily emails, planners, checklists, and PDFs. Everything you need to know exactly what to work on each day. No confusion, no overwhelm, no more wasted time. Click the link below to get instant access and start your 30-day transformation today. You'll get everything you need to make real, lasting progress, even if you've only got 10 minutes a day. So go and click on the link below, and I'll see you over there.